Okay, so day one of my workshop build, I'm gonna be filming every time I come out here and do something. I'm gonna be filming building this. I'm putting a 16 by 20, so it'll be 16 that way, 20 coming back this way. That puts me underneath the square footage to need any sort of permit for building this. Electrical is gonna be a whole nother ordeal. But yeah, day one, I'm gonna get everything marked out here. I'm probably doing it wrong, but the way that my brain works, this is, the best for me. I'm sure there's gonna be experienced carpenters, framers, builders on here that's gonna see this and be like, we should have done this. And it's probably a lot easier, but this is the way that my brain works. I know I wanna be 2 feet off of that privacy fence, because eventually we are going to have to replace that. Unfortunately, I have horrible neighbors and they do not want to go in half with me on that. And but eventually we'll replace that, and I'm going to plant some evergreens back there. I'm going to plant some evergreens over to the right as well, so that way it kind of covers up this shed a little bit and nobody should have any complaints. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so what I did is I made a 17 by 21 square. I'm not worried about this part being square because what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure in 6 inches, run a stake, measure in 6 inches, run a stake, and the same thing, and try to get my 16 by 20 off of that. I know it probably doesn't make any sense. Okay, so I've got, I believe, my 16 by 20 laid out. I'm not worried about these being squared because what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to mark and dig, let's see, a hole. I'm gonna dig 2 feet down. I'm using the Tough Lock system is what I'm going to do. Tough Block. So what I'll do is, of course, I'll have one at each corner. One, if not two, because I'm gonna have 2 by 10 runners. My outside boards are gonna be 2 by 10s. Then my joists are going to be 2 by 6s, and instead of using joist hangers, I'm just gonna run a 2 by 4 up underneath them and just have them rest on that. I watched a guy up north, like up in Michigan, he built a cabin doing that, and it worked out fine for him. So I'm gonna have at least 2 in the middle of the 20-foot section and 1 sitting in the middle of my 16s. What I'm trying to deal with is, do I want to put, because I'm gonna dig about 2 feet down, at least like a 2 foot by 2 foot hole. I'm gonna fill it full of gravel, and then I'll sit these Tough Blocks on top. But what I'm trying to figure out is, do I want to use 4 by 4 posts and attach my outside boards to those 4 by 4 posts, or do I just want to sit them directly on the Tough Blocks? And then, you know, I'll get my square after I do all that. I can go to Menards and get 2 20-foot 2 by 10s. But the thing of it is I need a 16-foot trailer, and I'm having a problem finding a 16-foot trailer. Or I can just go and get, you know, 2 by 10s, cut them 10 foot, cut them, square them up the best I can, and then join them together. Basically build 2 16 by 10 sections, put them in, and get them leveled up. If you've made it this far and you have any suggestions, just let me know. You know, I'm not a carpenter at this extent of a carpenter. I can do, you know, some trim work in my house, baseboard, I can lay some flooring, but as far as coming to an actual builder, this is the first thing like this I've ever built. I did build, you can see it, I did build that pergola and that over there, and surprisingly the pergola everybody seems to love it. That's when everybody told me I should be a carpenter, but hell, I don't know. So I'm overthinking everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint some circles and start digging my holes, and we'll see what happens after that. Alright, so there it pretty much is. Y'all don't want to watch me dig any holes, so I'm gonna get these holes dug and then I'll get them filled in with some gravel, and then I'll be back when I try to get my base, my floor figured out here, my joists and stuff, see what I'm gonna do. Thank you for watching. If you've made it this far, like and subscribe to the channel.